Hey, Andy Invests here. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Metamask wallet from scratch. It's our Metamask Wallet tutorial. You will learn step by step how to create and configure your Metamask wallet. So let's go here on our computer. First thing is to type here on Google, metamask.io. So here on the first page of Metamask the following words appear. A crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Start exploring blockchain applications in seconds. Trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. Buy, store, send and swap tokens. Available as a browser extension and as a mobile app, Metamask equips you with a key vault, secure login, token wallet, and token exchange. Everything you need to manage your digital assets. Here you go to the Metamask website. Go here to download and choose which platform you want. Android, iOS or Chrome. Let's choose Metamask for Chrome. Then it will open the part of extensions for Chrome. Here is the Metamask figure. We'll click on Use in Chrome and then on Add Extension. Ready, the extension is active. You go here in the extensions and put a pin on the Metamask symbol. Then click on Get Started. To configure the Metamask, click on Create Wallet. Then click on Agree. Now you will create your Metamask password. Here's a video about the secret phrase. This moment is super important as you will have to copy these words in a safe place. This secret backup phrase will be used to recover your wallet. Do not show these words to anyone and keep them in a safe place. I'll copy it here on Notepad just for you to see. He asks you to retype these words. So here it is set up. Okay, here is your Metamask wallet already configured and with 0 ETH. You can buy ETH here. There are 3 options: wire, transact and directly deposit Ether. You can add other tokens here. See how simple it is. So, you've seen how easy it is to set up Metamask wallet. This was our tutorial. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.